I just got home from work. The sun is still shining. My husband made brownies and they're in the oven, and I'm gonna make some coffee jelly. Because the other day I got tagged like 10 times in a video of a coffee jelly with milk, and you like break up the coffee jelly with a straw or a spoon and you eat the coffee jelly with milk like a latte, but it's like a treat. I'm gonna make one, or attempt to. I've never actually made anything with gelatin that wasn't marshmallows. I think that was only 4 tablespoons of coffee. I'm gonna do 6 because I like my coffee like sludge. It's just my preference. The recipe seems very easy. Dissolve the gelatin in some water, add your coffee, get it all combined together, put it in the fridge, and then it makes jelly. I think that's how it works. Press. I think I may have made the coffee too strong even for my sludge loving self. 2 cups of freshly brewed coffee. 2 cups. 1 little pack of gelatin. 2 tablespoons of hot water. Stir it up to dissolve the gelatin. It's all goopy and I think all dissolved. 2 cups of coffee. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Maybe closer to 2.5 or 3 because coffee is very strong. Stir that up. Need some cups. I think I'm gonna do this one because it has a cute lid. I might just use all 3 of these. I feel like this line right here is the perfect jelly milk ratio. I might actually just use this for the leftover coffee that's in here. 1 little barrel full of coffee left. So close to boiling. It's so close to boiling. I think I'm gonna call that boiling. And the brownies my husband made just came out of the oven. Pour the jelly, would-be jelly, in the bottom of the cup. Told you this cup would be perfect because it has that little line. I thought I was gonna get away with not spilling, but it looks like I did spill. 3 cups of almost jelly and 1 iced coffee. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Let's see how the jelly set. I'm hopeful, so I took out a lot of other little things to use with the jelly. It looks like it set pretty nice. You see it jiggling? It's not falling out. I'm gonna take chocolate sauce on top. I think when I use my straw or a spoon to like push through the jelly, then the chocolate sauce will go through the jelly. I think that sounds like a great idea. This is the leftover coffee. Smells good. A little of that. Probably a good bit of milk. This looks exactly like the one in the video. This looks exactly like the one I was tagged in. 2 sections. 1 jelly, 1 milk. Coffee jelly latte. A nice long skinny spoon. What I'm gonna do is a little of this. I was nervous that the jelly was gonna be too gelatinous. Feels like a very nice texture. One thing about Jello, is that it can get quite gelatinous quite quickly, and then it's just like not enjoyable. This doesn't feel like that. This feels quite nice. I'm gonna try the jelly by itself first. Oh, I made that coffee very strong. Very strong. That's so good. I can see this being very enjoyable in the summertime when it's hot out. A little treat to nibble on and drink. I am so proud of the jelly texture. It's not like a Jello. It's not like firm jiggle. It's a pretty soft jiggle. A very soft jiggle. It's so good and so fun.